How to make money prompting using ChatGPT. Discover the secret to earning money. Turn simple prompts into profits with ChatGPT. So, in today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting. Whether we are looking to create compelling content, automate tasks, or enhance business workflows, well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of this EA tool. By learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing, copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. First of all, the first steps, I will use ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. So all I have to do is open your web browser and dive into chatgpt.com. So here we have given me some prompts that I copy and paste on Runway ML to generate a batch of some images, give some good prompts for images if I am going to be using the image as t-shirts design. So we have here various prompts. You can select the one you want. We have the first one here, surreal natural sand. Then we have abstract geometric shapes. We have vintage retrowave, space exploration, tribal and cultural fusion. We have animal kingdom mashup. Then we have floor and skull fusion. Then we have minimalist line art, fantasy warrior, psychedelic fractal patterns, so you can just copy and paste it on runway. So I will explain you what is runway later. So let's select this one and copy it. So don't worry, we are not going to be designing any t-shirts. I will show you. So of course ChatGPT is going to provide us with this prompt that we can use as soon as it gives like this information to us. So here are some creative prompts for generating t-shirt designs. So firstly, let me introduce you another one which is called Leonardo.ea. So I will tell you why I use this one. Leonardo is a free tool, anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this and you can start creating these images from the prompts. So here we have get started, you click over it, but before that you can just scrolling down and know more information about Leonardo, how it works. We have here some information like for creators, for teams, for developers. We have also here some features here, solution also, and other things. You can just click over the one you want and know more about Leonardo.ea. So we click over get started, then you write your email address and your password, then you will find this homepage. So in this homepage we have also other things and various things, but first step all I have to do is click over image creation, then you paste the prompt that you already copied. So that's it. Then we have here, as you can see, various things like present. You can just select the one you want. Then we have prompt enhance. You select automatic or on, off. Then we have preset style. You choose proc, cinematic concept, creative, dynamic, fashion, graphic, and various things here. Then we have generation mode here. Sorry, generation mode here. We have fast and quality. Then we have image dimension here. We have small, medium, large. You can choose the one you want. Then we have number of images. We have here the max, it's 8. Then we have one and more. Then we have private mode here, and then we have advanced settings also, like you can just switch on photo rail, negative prompt, transparency, talent, and use fixed speed, and that's it. Then you can just click over generate and you will find it. So you have got these credits, alright, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 114, as you can see here, of these credits, and they will regenerate every 24 hours. You get around 150 of this each 24 hours, so you can just here use them. So here is my thing, here is my graffiti, and you can see it looks really nice. Now as you can see, it's bad with words. Alright, don't try to write something on the screen with image generators, right? Just don't bath like this, I can see this as a t-shirt design. Let me this one as well. I will just change the existing prompt, click on generate one more, and we are going to get a result something like this. Now all of this can be t-shirt designs. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, the reason is simple. So I found numerous Shopee shops on Etsy. They have over than 25,000 sales, as you can see, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for mugs, for air fresheners, for bookmarks, and you can see the price. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over than 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over than $25,000 for doing this. So what these people do, they just take these designs and they just put them out there, and they just give these pictures and they just roll over those to the teachers to make to cap whatever they want, and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and there, that's where we come in. We make this with ChatGPT or Leonardo or Runway. Now why is Runaway? So Runaway can make you 100 of this, but the downside of it is that you got to pay for it. As you can see, if I click on get started here, so and create an account and get started with it, it's a paid tool, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use this one whenever you get some cash for reinvesting. And if you click here on get credit, you can see that 100 is going to cost you $10. So this is how it works with Leonardo and also Runway, and how you can sell it on Etsy. So one of the most effective ways to earn money using ChatGPT is by mastering the art of prompt engineering and offering your services to businesses and individuals. So by harnessing the power of prompts, you can turn your skills into a profitable business. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.